Hey guys, this is BSC Ventures. My name is Taylor. I'm just going to be talking about my stock watch list. Mainly, I'm going to be focusing on the SPY. This week, upcoming, we have GDP numbers coming out again, and we have a bunch of Fed speakers. So I just wanted to quickly run down all the stocks that I'm going to be looking at for the week. Mainly going to be focusing on SPY. As you can see at this 362 level, we pretty much have a double bottom. If we break this 362 level, I can see, levels going to pre-COVID. 362 goes to about 355, then all the way down to 339, which is my personal price target. I'm expecting a little bit of a bounce early on in the week, so I have a TQQQ position just for that. If we fall below this 360 level, this 362 double bottom, then this 360 level, I'll be hopping into some puts longer term, just to see if we can capitalize on this downtrend all the way down to pre-COVID lows. Also, we have some earnings coming up. Micron Technology. As you can see with this gap over here, we pretty much bounced at the end of Friday, so I might be looking into calls. I'm going to have to do a little bit more research for my Discord. But I can see us going to this 57.50 level and then possibly this 65 level on some really good earnings. Another one is Nike that I'll be looking at. As you can see right here, we got this bear flag and then a bounce. So we're pretty much headed there. Possibly tomorrow. After that, we could bounce. So I'll be looking at this 113.30 level, and then potentially up into the 118.50-ish level. Other than that, a couple other things that you should look at is TLT. As you can see on the daily chart, we've kind of found a bottom around this 105 level. Below the 105 level, it could we could see a little bit more blood. And if we break that 105 level and stay below it, it means on a macro level that we're probably not done bleeding, and we will see those pre-pandemic lows on the S&P 500. If we break this trend line right here that we've been seeing for the last couple of weeks to a month, I might look to get into some longer dated calls to the 110, 112 level. Another thing you should look at is our dollar. Our dollar's been going nuts, and on Friday it just gapped and then ran like a horse. This does not look like it's going to slow down, which is really bad for the entire market, mostly tech. So I would keep this focused. If we continue to run, then there's more blood to come. Another thing, Japan did some weird stuff, did some manipulation with the yen and the US dollar. So I've been looking at the USD JPY just to see if that's going to keep going up. If we go to the 146 level and we see a major sell-off, we could see some further manipulation with it, which could be a black swan event that is coming up shortly. So I would definitely keep this one on watch. But yeah, mainly I'm going to be trading the S&P 500 index, the SPY, and focus on this 362 level the most. If we break that 362, I'll get into puts, but I'm looking for a early week bounce just to capitalize on those TQQQ shares, and then I'll be able to sell those for the larger downfall to those pre-pandemic lows at 339-ish, 340. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. Let's kill it this week.